Okay, anyway. So, hi everyone. Today, don't snatch it ever again. Today,
snatch.
What are you doing?
Oh, I was looking at my bag.
Today, are you bringing that with you?
Which?
The bag.
Sure.
Today, I'm going to be driving with my father. Is the camera on me?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Today, I'm going to be driving with my father. He's going to be teaching me how to drive because put up it.
Look at this flower out of blue tack, guys. I made it. I'm still making some. I also made another one, but it's still crushed up. This one's my favourite though.
I have one photo, but it's from prom. Right, now we're going to the hair shop. Believe me or not, yeah. Well, yeah, I do. Believe it or not, but I accidentally put my Lego in the washing machine for the second time. Now, so I'm to get another one.
Yeah.
Stop putting it on the floor. Oh, you're gonna do something?
Yes, I am. Yes. Get out of the way, child.
Right guys, just taking off on my hair. Someone's gonna drive. I think it's a joke.
Yes.
A few moments later.
No. Something up here, so this you do like so.
This feels very weird.
Oh, Daddy.
I say you do like so.
Well, I can't even see the foot things. Oh, why did I just do that?
You take 1 foot, you don't use 2 foot on there, you use 1 foot. You've been recording that?
Yeah.
Don't need even to rev it either. We don't put no rev on it. Put your foot on the middle one. And take your time, press that one. That's what you use to stop.
So I'll be back and start driving because...
You what?
I'm talking to the camera.
Turn left. Go left.
So I turn from now?
Go left, yes. When I say go left, you turn. You need to look in front of your face. Go right.
Oh.
Go right. Straighten it up. You watch the curve there.
Why do you need to twist the steering wheel around like that? It's dark in here.
Is that better?
Yay! Watch
So you stay in the middle, so when you're gonna maneuver, you got more place to maneuver to turn right. You don't need to be turning the steering so vigorously that you take your time. Okay, you straighten up the car. You take your time and brake. Take your time and brake.
After the girl them with the latest wear. Y'all no like your 2-year-old teeth. You know you nothing cheap. Gets from head to feet. Condoms the shoes, girl you want that to lead. In a Victoria's Secret 90 was speed.
Accelerate now. Okay. It's off right now because you're gonna turn.
what you wanna. If I no brother, I do see I got banana. Some y'all know how you have your big hotness banana. It's so much the brother who say you are more street designer the way you get the fashion. I don't want you in your full suit I guess it.
Oh no.
What?
The camera.
Stop right when you reach the arrow. You stop, don't make it go on the arrow. Stop. That's better.
That was
Much better.
I can't believe I didn't record it. Oh, so angry. Wait, I zoomed in too much. Do the face again.